Okay, here I got the circuit. Here I have Arduino UNO. This is 16x2 LCD. This is my serial monitor. You don't have to worry about it because this will not be used. This is just for demonstration purpose and debugging. And here, starting with the wired connection, this is the pin number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is the pin number 2 and this is the pin number 3. Here we have 1 mega ohm resistor. This is also 1 mega ohm resistor. Now pin number 3 and pin number 2, they are connected with this resistor. You can see that this is at one side and this is at the other side, and this wire is for the metallic connection or the foil which we will be connecting with Arduino. So this will be connected at pin number 2, the point where it is connected with the resistor. This wire is also connected there, and in the same way we have pin number 4 and 5. Now pin number 4 is all connected with the other resistor at one end, and pin number 5 is connected at the other end of that resistor. The value of resistance of that resistor is also 1 mega ohm. So here we can see that we have the foil connected at this pin number 4. So first connection is with pin number 2 and second connection is pin number 4. Here you can see that pin number 4 is connected at this point and this point is connected with the foil or the metallic input. This is our input number 1 and this is our input number 2. Here I have used buttons for showing the input. This is first one and this is second one. So now coming to the LCD, the LCD has, you can see, 14 pins. Now showing the connections one by one: pin number 1, pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now first of all, the pin number 14 or D7 of LCD will connect with pin number 7, then D6 with 8, D5 with 9 and D4 with pin number 10 of Arduino UNO. You have to skip these 4 pins: D3, D2, D1 and D0. Now coming to the other pins, that are the control pins. This one is enable pin and this is pin number 6 of LCD. This is connected with pin number 11 of Arduino, and RS or register select pin number 4 of LCD is connected with pin number 12 of Arduino UNO. Now coming to these pins, there I have skipped RW pin. This is read write. I have shortened it with pin number 1 of LCD. Pin number 1 is VSS. These both pins are connected with each other, and then these pins are grounded, and this ground is same as the ground terminal of Arduino. Here it is for the simulation purpose, so we don't have ground here, but in Arduino practically we have Arduino ground pin, and this will be connected there. Now this is the potentiometer or the variable resistor of 10 kilo ohm resistance. It has 3 pins. This can be from of one extreme end, left or right end, and this will be the other extreme end. And the central pin, this is the central pin. The central pin will be connected with VEE or pin number 3 of the LCD. This is used for adjusting the contrast of the LCD. And then there are 2 ends. One end is with the 5 volt input power supply. Here I can configure it to 5 volt. I have already done it. Now if you don't have 5 volt, you have to give this connection from 5 volt pin that will be located around here in Arduino in real life. But as again this is simulation, so we don't have 5 volt pin in this Arduino. It is already given the power supply. Connect the 5 volt with this terminal, also the 5 volt with pin number 2 of LCD. Now pin number 1 is connected with RW, as I already mentioned, and this is grounded. So both two ends, again mentioning this potentiometer, both two ends, one end is connected with ground of the Arduino. These two pins are also connected with each other, and both are connected with ground also. And then the next current pin of the potentiometer, this is connected with 5 volt of Arduino UNO, and the central pin of this potentiometer, this is connected with pin number 3 of our LCD. Now coming to running this simulation, let's double click on it, and then you will see that there is a location for program file. This is the hex file that is located already in the package. Here I can open this. This is project stopwatch, and here we have hex files, and again opening this hex files, and then there is .hex hex files. We don't need the bootloader, we just need the hex file, file1.ino.hex, final one underscore 1.ino.hex. Opening this file. Okay, don't change anything else, just load this file and click OK. Now the file has been loaded. Going towards debug and then running the simulation or pressing the F12 key. Here the simulation has started. This terminal is due to the serial terminal. I have already connected it. This is the count 1 and this is count 2. Now since we cannot simulate aluminum foil or any metal here, it will work on in practical life. When you touch this thing, the counter 1 will start counting, and when you will touch this thing, the next thing will happen, or just like the code. Now stopping the simulation from here or pressing the shift plus pause key.